Oprah Winfrey is standing in her kitchen. She is holding a bowl of shimmering pink gelatin. She looks right at the camera and tells you she found the secret to melting 60 pounds without a single workout. It looks incredibly real. Her voice is unmistakable and her expressions are perfect. But it is a total lie. A digital ghost created by a computer. This is the terrifying reality of the marketing for Lipo Wave Drops. It is not just Oprah. They have stolen the faces of Kelly Clarkson, Serena Williams, and even Jenna Bush Hager. They use artificial intelligence to sync their lips to a script they never wrote. It is a high-tech trap designed to steal your money. I saw one of these ads on social media recently. It led to a website that looked exactly like a major news health portal. It had the logos, the layout, and the professional photos. But the web address was just a jumble of nonsensical letters. That is your first red flag. They want you to believe that a former pharmaceutical researcher is blowing the whistle on a global conspiracy. They claim 93% of women over 40 fail to lose weight because of a hijacked gut signal. Then they offer a 60-second fix using a pink gelatin recipe. They say it is nearly 100 times stronger than the most popular weight loss injections on the market today. That is a physical impossibility. It is pure fiction. They show clips of celebrities eating gelatin and claim it is the reason for their transformations. They even have a fake video of Dr. Oz on his old show. He is holding a bucket and showing how belly fat supposedly turns to liquid right on stage. The audience is gasping and cheering. But that episode never happened. The show has been off the air for years. The scammers are using the curiosity of a secret recipe as a hook. They promise to give you the ingredients if you just keep watching their long video. But the recipe never comes, because it does not exist. Gelatin is just protein. It is not a miracle fat burner. These people are predators. They use the big pharma trope to make you feel like you are part of a secret rebellion. They say the video was banned or hidden by greedy executives. It was not. It was created in a basement by someone looking to exploit your hope for a better life. I have investigated over 1,500 of these scams. I track the fake websites and the deepfake videos every day. The product might be a real bottle of liquid, but it will not do what the AI-generated Oprah says it will. There are no miracle drops. There are no secret pink recipes that bypass the need for a healthy lifestyle. If a video tells you that you can lose 25 pounds in 3 weeks without moving a muscle, it is lying to you. Every single time. Do not give your credit card information to a website that uses stolen celebrity faces. If you are struggling with weight, go to a clinic. Talk to a real doctor with a real medical degree. Do not trust a digital puppet on a fake news site. Skip the pink gelatin. Skip the Lipo Wave hype. And protect your bank account. These scammers are counting on you being tired and looking for a shortcut. Do not let them win. Stay vigilant. And keep your eyes open for these fake news sites. They are everywhere. Just remember, if Oprah is in her kitchen talking about a pink gelatin miracle, it is time to close the tab and walk away. Your health is worth more than a 60-second gimmick.